Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tune Project. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song Take Me Home Country Roads on the fiddle, so stay tuned. If you end up enjoying this video and finding it to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up below. It really helps out the channel. And if you're not yet subscribed to the Tune Project, I post videos just like this one each and every week, so consider hitting that red subscribe button below as well. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you the basic version of this tune, but if you're interested in taking it to the next level and adding in some double stops and making it sound a little bit more fiddly, then definitely check out the extended version of this tutorial over on Patreon. You can find the link for that in the description box below. As always, the timestamps will be marked in case you'd like to skip around, and you can always adjust the speed in your video settings. Now grab your fiddle and let's get into it. We are in the original key of A major, and I'm going to be walking you through phrase by ear, so do your best to play each phrase back as we go along. Here's our first phrase. Okay, so there we just stayed between the D and the A strings, nothing too crazy going on, we're just sort of outlining this melody. And the next phrase starts on our first finger B on the A string, and it goes like this. Ending on a long sustained open A there. For the next phrase, we're starting on our first finger E on the D string. So ending on a long C sharp there, and then we're coming back to our B on the A string. So far we don't have a ton of notes that we're working with. We're pretty much just staying between the same few notes for each phrase, so hopefully you were able to pick up on those. Alright, now getting into this chorus, we're starting on an open A, and the first phrase sounds like this. So the main thing we want to do here is fully sustain and hold out those longer notes. First the C sharp and then the B, so make sure that you give yourself plenty of bow here to work with. Here's the next phrase starting on a C sharp. Okay, so for this next phrase, we're continuing the chorus and we have the same rhythm structure going on, but this time we're starting on an F sharp on the E string. So go ahead and leave that C sharp down once you've gotten that phrase down, and the next phrase begins on that same note. Okay, so there we're working with the scale pattern, pretty much just staying between C sharp, B, and A. So again, not a whole lot of note variation here, just make sure that you are listening for those rhythms. So now that we've gotten through the whole song, let's take it back to the beginning and play it together at a slow tempo just to make sure that you caught everything that we worked on. 1, 2, 1. Well, congratulations for learning all of Take Me Home Country Roads with me today. I really hope you enjoyed that one. And as I mentioned earlier, if you're interested in taking this tune up a notch, then definitely check out the extended version of the tutorial where we dig a little bit deeper and I show you how to incorporate some more fiddle techniques to make it sound a little bit more fiddly and a little bit more interesting. Also, if you learn best with sheet music, the sheet music for this song is available in my digital sheet music library, and you can head on over to thetuneproject.org/sheet-music to grab yourself a copy. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Happy practicing!